RM Play app. So this is official Real Madrid streaming service. Be careful. You need to select specifically for developer Real Madrid CF. So here is the app. Just depends where you download it, in which app store. It's available worldwide. Real Madrid TV in English live. So you can just watch it. The best content from all teams and competitions. Full access to our archive. The best series and documentaries. Enjoy full matches. Of course, where it's legal to do it. So highlights, exclusive Real Madrid video content, live broadcast of Real Madrid TV, in-depth documentaries, complete matches, and more. This is not a new app. There are some bugs. But overall, people like it because, this is access for fans. It's very convenient on your phone. So here you see best highlights, friendly matches. You see men's football, best also women's football, original films. So you can see 2 streams from like Champions League from 23-24, some documentary. So here you just can look at it. History, preferences, my list. You can see text, audio, subtitles, autoplay. Quite nice app. Just mainly you use it for highlights and replays. And then you can see 30 minutes, newest matches in 30 minutes. Do you need to pay in here? And then I guess for some of it you need to sign in, and maybe you need to pay for some of the content. So you can see latest news updates. So if you want to follow the team in the close, that's kind of what it is. You can also sign up just in here and select a plan. So if you just try to do it, you will be redirected to their website. Unfortunately, it's in Spanish, and then just proceed through. Okay, in English as well. Register digital card. RM's plays free content. 5% off your first purchase in official online store, contest and giveaway. So this is what you're getting for free. So that's kind of cool. So yeah.